Do you want to know the top strategies for successful seed germination? The journey from a tiny seed to a flourishing plant is a fascinating one, and it all begins with germination. The right germination techniques can set the stage for healthy plant growth. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 most effective strategies for germinating seeds successfully. First and foremost, always choose high-quality seeds. The vitality of your fledgling plants springs from the caliber of their beginnings. Look for seeds that are plump, free from damage, and sourced from reputable suppliers. Remember, quality seeds are the foundation of successful germination. Next, ensure the right temperature for your seeds. Temperature plays a pivotal role in seed germination. Most seeds germinate best within a range of 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, a warm and cozy environment can greatly enhance seed germination. Thirdly, keep your seeds adequately moist. This plays a crucial role in the germination process as it softens the seed coat and awakens the life inside. To maintain the right moisture levels, use a spray bottle or a mister. Remember, seeds need a drink too, but don't drown them. Fourth, use the right soil for your seeds. The soil is the seed's first home, providing nutrients and support. Consider the seed's natural habitat when choosing soil. A cactus prefers sandy soil, while tomatoes thrive in loamy soil. Never underestimate the power of good soil. Fifth, provide enough light for your seeds. Light is a vital ingredient in the recipe of seed germination, sparking the process that transforms a dormant seed into a thriving plant. Find a sunny spot or use artificial grow lights. Remember, light is life, especially for your seeds. Sixth, practice proper spacing. It's crucial to give your seeds enough room to flourish. Overcrowding can lead to competition for resources. A good rule of thumb is to space seeds 3 times as wide as their diameter. Remember, give your seeds room to grow. Lastly, be patient. The magic of germination doesn't happen overnight. Each seed, each species has its own rhythm of growth. Some might sprout quickly, others may take their sweet time. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Patience is a gardener's best friend. So, there you have it. The top 7 strategies for successful seed germination. From choosing high-quality seeds, providing optimal temperature, maintaining moisture, using proper soil, to practicing correct spacing, and most importantly, having patience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.